Want to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step using Chrome, which also works in Edge, Firefox and Opera. First, open the ChatGPT conversation you want to save. Then on your keyboard, press Ctrl+P. This opens the print preview window. Under Destination, click the drop-down and select Save as PDF. In Microsoft Edge, it may show up as Microsoft Print to PDF. That's fine too. Next, check your layout and page options. You can use Portrait or Landscape. And choose all pages or a custom range if you only want parts of the chat. Once everything looks good, click Save or Print. Then pick a folder, name your file, and click Save again. And that's it. Your ChatGPT conversation is now saved as a PDF. You can view it, share it, or print it anytime. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other how-to videos.